Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today's a little different. Just about 15 minutes ago, I had an unusual road rage incident. I'm going to post it because I need to. We need to let people know about this idiot. He is apparently extremely dangerous. He started in with me. I'm just driving. He cut me off. He wanted to fight immediately because he cut me off. It doesn't make any sense. I hit the horn. He freaked out. I was slammed into him. We got the whole thing on video. I want you to see him. I'm going to show you his license plate. He seems to be a military individual. I would be extremely. He seems to me to be armed and dangerous. So be extremely careful of this individual. Now I avoided him at all costs because I didn't want to fight this guy and at all because it would be. I don't want to bring this guy through the mud because I am running for New York governor and he would be on the news and then he would be arrested and I didn't want to do that to the guy. I mean, I'm giving him a second chance here, but I want you guys to be aware. I'm going to show his license plate now and be aware of this guy. If you're on Long Island in Suffolk County, be very, very careful of this individual. He's obviously very angry about something. He was coming out of Audi and he drives a shitbox Subaru, a little tiny little oversized roller skate. Really weird. I don't know, it could be his wife's car, who knows. But anyway, take a look at this video and what do you think? I want to hear your comments below. Especially the guy who's driving the Subaru. I expect an apology. If I don't get one, it stays online. Wow, there's nothing here.
It must be closed up, it looks like.
No, because this car's still in the lot.
Weird. Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Oh god, he's getting out of his car. Is he kidding? Is he coming? Oh shit.
What did he fucking cut me off for?
Wow, don't even let, he's coming up behind you, so just, oh god.
It's alright, don't worry about it.
Just keep driving. What did he do?
He cut me off, trying to start in.
For no reason.
Yep. He's right on my ass.
Yeah, if you stop short, it's good for you. He got out of the car, he's looking for a fight. Joe. Joe.
Jesus.
Oh god, Joe.
Yeah.
What? Just go. He's sick. Is he coming?
No.
Oh my god. What was his problem?
I got him all on camera too. We're gonna export it and send it to the cops.
anything.
I didn't do anything wrong. No.
Should you just go down one of these lanes?
No, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna go home. Fuck it.
What was his problem?
He just started in.
He's got out of his car twice to fight.
Yeah.
What a beast. You didn't even do anything. We're just driving. Who was he with? I feel bad for that person.
Yeah.
You never did anything wrong. You all right?
I'm fine. I wasn't ready for that.
You know, it's funny. I'm not even shaking because I feel so secure with you. That's even crazier.
Right.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Joe. Joe.
Jesus.
Oh god, Joe.
Yeah.
What? Just go. He's sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? Joe. Joe. Oh god, Joe. Oh god, Joe. Yeah. What? Just go. He's sick. Oh my god. What? Just go. He's sick. Oh my god. What the fuck? Joe. Joe. Oh god, Joe. Oh god, Joe. He's sick.
Jesus.
Oh god, Joe.
Yeah.
What? Just go. He's sick.